Most of us wish we were doing something different, but it's easy to fall into the trap of taking a job for the wrong reasons. We settle for a job simply because we're qualified, or maybe even because we just like the salary. But how many of us can say we truly love our job? Okay, we know what you're going to say. There are just too many obstacles between me and my dream job. Like, employers never get to know me because I'm just another face in the crowd. Luckily, we have the solution. Unique people. We're building a free-to-use online platform that matches like-minded candidates and employers with emphasis placed on personality, skills, and shared values. We believe that qualifications and job history are not enough to screen a candidate on their own. Our message is clear. You are unique. You have something inside that makes you different. Embrace this and grow. Our goal is to create a positive change in the way we approach recruitment. We want job seekers to search for organizations through us that share their values and their way of thinking, because we believe this will lead to a happier, more fulfilled, and more productive workforce. You should be able to tell employers what's important to you and what intrinsic value you can bring to a role. Likewise, we want employers to focus on finding employees that are not only capable of doing a job, but also compatible with the culture of the organization. The best person for a job might not be the best on paper, but finding that person can be an expensive and time-consuming process, until now. UniquePeople.co is simple, original, and benefits employees and employers. So what makes us different? Well, our service is built around our original assessment tool, which promotes equal opportunities for job seekers, adopts an ethical approach to recruitment, and provides useful feedback if you don't get it right the first time. We are a for-profit social enterprise. So, if you're looking for an opportunity that excites you, or you're an employer looking to add something special to your team, we'd love you to join us on this exciting journey. Show your support by signing up today and be one of the first to get matched by unique people.